expressionless.
No, he'll get through them. He'll go through them. There's one. There's two.
Oh.
Oh.
No.
God, is this the sleepiest baby or what?
He's so tired. Let's rub your back. Get you going. There he is. Alice, no. Oh. I don't think he has to burp, but it's good to just set him up and... What's that? Jeez, he is so tired today. Hey. Hey.
Oh, you're giving us a look. And back down.